Okay, this is exciting. We are in the heat of the summer. And I got some beach toys. Nice, it comes in a bag with a bag to carry everything. That'll be wonderful. Cute box, cute packaging. Oh, cute little shovel. Oh, pie. Some rakes. A couple sandcastle pieces. Looks like you can go on top. A shovel, another one. Look at the detail on this. One pink and one blue. Oh, my son is gonna love these. All these castle pieces and then some food pieces. Croissant and ice cream. Oh, yes, pyramid of that. And create like a border around it. And a popsicle.